Hi, Gina. Eric. Jeff. Great to see you in class today. And Tessa. Everyone's here, yay. Really good to see you all. Welcome to class. I apologize for the delay. I'm like 15 minutes late. Ugh. I'm like a steaming hot mess right now. But to make up for it, class is gonna be real short today. We'll make it real short and sweet. Today's lesson is about opening a conversation around how to build our desired online digital realities. Let's begin by discussing how we as humans perceive reality. Our perception of reality is what we can see with our eyes, feel with our bodies, and interpret with our minds, right? But the full nature of reality is something we will never be able to fully grasp because we are unique individuals here on Earth having unique experiences that we perceive. We are each unique pieces of the same puzzle, connected but separate as parts of a whole, the whole being everything in existence. Reality is like those Russian nesting dolls. The big one is the vast expanding universe. The middle one is our perception of everything in the universe, our limited perception. And the last one is our creative or artistic interpretations of our experience of reality. A thing within a thing within a thing. Humans are a part of the natural world. We are nature. We did not create nature itself. And we invented technology, this tool we use in the physical world. It uses its own language, its own programming. It has its own rules and laws and ways of being. It doesn't abide by the rules of nature because it is not of nature. We are of nature. It's this digital field of pixelated light that we have created. It's its own universe entirely, its own reality. It's a world we have created in a world we did not create. A world within a world, with endless worlds inside of it that we can not only live in, but create ourselves. It's a place where we can communicate our creative interpretations of reality, a reflection of our interpretation of reality. This can be beautiful and inspiring, and it can also sometimes be disorienting and disempowering. The key to begin mastering your enjoyment of this experience is to realize and embrace your personal power and agency, to recognize that the same human force inside of you is the same force that invented all the things we use in our daily life that is not of nature, you know? With so much information at our fingertips, the most important thing to us becomes our ability to discern what is true, what is uplifting, to be able to trust our body's signals that either pull us towards something or repel us away. Of course, this requires us to feel stable and grounded in our bodies. In this modern life, it feels like we have to fight and battle and be warriors to achieve like any sense of groundedness. The cornerstone of this groundedness is being able to trust yourself, to accept yourself, to choose to accept and trust yourself despite anything, you know? Acceptance and love toward the mystery and beauty that is nature and yourself as a part of nature. So perhaps this groundedness can be manifested by spending time in nature. Let the metaphors of nature that nature has to offer us become our teacher. Walk around in the forest and let yourself melt back into your natural state, into the primordial goo that humanity came from. Let nature embrace you as one of their own, as you accept it and revere it. Decide to get curious about how maybe nature has something to offer you. Nature has something to teach you that you can't get anywhere else. Feeling groundedness, a sense of peace and ownership over your natural vessel in the physical world is a perfect place to begin exploring a visual identity, a world online you create, knowing that it will never be you. You are you in the natural world, grounded here in the natural world, but you have experiences you interpret artistically in your mind, and you can reflect back those experiences visually using the medium of technology onto the canvas of the digital field of light, of pixelated light. With this state of mind, we are no longer in the murky, muddled waters of being 1 foot in the digital world and 1 foot in the physical world, but our minds are up in the clouds, no groundedness in sight. I was like that for years. Instead, we can feel grounded and powerful, peaceful even, for we know we are natural beings, a part of nature, with a fantastic ability to create our own worlds, any worlds that we please, through the tool of technology we have created. It's very exciting stuff. It really is. My homework for you all this week is to start getting curious about how far you can take your personal power. Walk around outside in nature, try to find some trees. Try to start talking to trees. I don't know. When you commune with nature, you see that your true power lies in your ability to feel a loving connectedness with everything in existence, knowing you are one with everything. Nature is a vehicle to take you to that place. Knowing you are one with everything is where our power lies. Our power lies together, and we are always connected. So feeling into that, marinating in that, I think you will find for your homework this week, that feeling of agency maybe gives you something that you didn't know you needed. Whatever, I don't know. Instead of a discussion, I want you to write in the comments below your thoughts on today's lesson, and perhaps in the next lesson we will go over these thoughts that we all have. Thank you for a great class, short and sweet like I promised. I hope you all have a great week, and I will see you again next week. Bye everyone.